Okay, we're going to replace this garbage disposal because we have a leak coming out the bottom. Most kitchens will have the power for the garbage disposal right next to the unit. However, mine is behind the dishwasher. So let's get that pulled out. I've got 2 screws, one here and one here. Okay, I'm going to turn the water off just to be on the safe side. Tighten it off. And there's off. The water's off. We're unplugged and back. Time to remove the discharge hose and the drain line. I have your bucket ready down below. Because you're going to have some water. Loosen and remove the compression fittings. We're going to get a rag underneath all of this. There's your water. Turn the mounting ring counterclockwise with a screwdriver. 2 hands. And we're out. Okay, so these are the same units. This is the one that we're replacing, has the leak in the bottom. We have to use I'm going to reuse this, which is the retaining ring, and then I have the new discharge, which is this, which will go on and attach. And if we use the same locking ring, then we can just install it quite easily and replace the broken unit. All right, to use the same retaining ring, I'm taking off the old gasket at the top. Replace the new one. Make sure it's seated. Okay. Let's install the new unit. All 3 of the right angle flanges of the lower mounting ring need to slide on the top lip of the upper mounting ring by twisting it on. The hard part is getting it lifted and then twisting at the same time. So before this gets completely tightened, you want to make sure the orientation is correct for your plumbing. So hold it in position and then tighten. Now let's reattach the different hoses. All right, let's get this reattached. That should be good. That feels good. Not coming off. There's a gasket, and then we get the flange, and then it goes on here. Gotta get it in the right order. This goes on first. And this goes on. The center compression ring adjusts for height, so leave it until last so you can make your final adjustments. Tight, 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 tight. All right, we'll double check. Tighten, tighten. Tighten. Let's feed the electrical back. Turn the water back on. Test for leaks. Let's power it up. Done. No leaks. Success. Thanks for watching another video with Lynn with MI Tinker. Please give us the thumbs up if you like this and subscribe. That helps the channel grow.